Hello and welcome to Process Execution by trustkey. Trustkey is an innovative process execution platform designed to empower organizations to optimize business processes. In this video, we will guide you through the process of logging into your trustkey domain via Microsoft Entra. To access the trustkey platform, you can go to the trustkey homepage at trustkey.eu and click on Login. On the Organization ID page, type in your organization domain. You will receive this domain from your administrator. After confirming your domain with Continue, you will be directed to the login page. Alternatively, you can directly access that page by entering your domain URL in your browser. The best way to save the address for later use is to bookmark the URL in your browser. On the login page, you will see your domain and your domain logo, which depends on your company settings. The next step is to click Microsoft Entra ID. Microsoft Entra ID only works if Microsoft Entra Identity Management is enabled for your domain. You can recognize that by the badge Microsoft Entra ID enabled on top of the email input field. After clicking Microsoft Entra ID, if you are already logged into your Microsoft account, you will be directly taken to your trustkey space. If you are not logged in, trustkey will guide you to the Microsoft login page. After logging in, you will also be directly taken to your trustkey space. For more insights and best practices, explore our playbook on trustkey.eu. Enjoy the process, and I'll be here to assist you every step of the way.